So ladies and gentlemen, I'm the Panda Photographer, and these are the AP-152 Swiss adapter plates. Now, originally this came with my Sunwayfoto FL90 RGB, and I didn't know what to make of it at first until I started playing around with these, putting it on my phone, putting it on my LED lights. You can literally, anything with a 1/4-20 thread. And if you have like something like this is a adapter clamp. This is a 50 mil piece. So let's say you had your phone on this or your device. You can literally just clamp this down to anything that's Art Swiss compatible and literally lock it in. So useful. I know this is not something big and useful for some people, but in reality, it may become useful for most of you, because if you are swapping LED lights, you could put an LED light on here. Let's say you had a YouTube studio, and let's say you had a couple of these, and you had a 50 mil adapter clamp, right? You can literally swap out LED lights or cameras or whatever it may be you want to put on here. Smartphone, lighting, for instance. I'll give you a good example. This is the Sunwayfoto FL90 RGB. And if I was to just like put this in the 1/4-20 thread and just thread that, well, I need to, but you guys get the point. It's like it will hold it in place. Now let me take this off. Let me properly screw this in. Gonna make sure. But you guys get the point. You can put anything on this and be satisfied with it. So these are the AP-152 Arc Swiss compatible adapted plates. And I've been using them for a couple weeks now. Even though I had them for over about 6 to 8 months, I just now started to use them and utilize them for anything I want to use them for, especially in a creative studio setting like this. So with that said, everyone, I'm the Panda Photographer. So if you guys want to pick these up, I'll leave it down in a link down in the description below so you guys can pick it up. But with that said, everyone, I'm Panda Photographer. Thank you for watching. So eat, see photography, Arc Swiss plate, and repeat. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. See ya.